Hey guys, I just got a little something in the mail. Tired of this. Little thing from A&S Gear. Alright. Just some return policy. Just comes in pretty nice. My Etek 3. Alright, this is an unboxing here. Okay. Oh. Alright, comes in really nice packaging. Kind of like the 2010 PMR, except a little tougher packaging. So I guess I'll take that off in a little while. So let's see what it looks like on the inside here. So first thing, barrel condom, nice Eclipse. Sticker, the packaging, full color Etek manual is what's to be expected from Planet Eclipse. Some gun oil, some Allen keys. It's good to have them. Change things. Comes with more O-rings and spare parts than you will ever need. Over 100 in here. Never have to go buy those again. And then a 2-piece barrel. So let's put this together. It's reverse threading, so it's kind of confusing when you're putting it on. You have to put it together first. And of course, the Etek itself. A really nice trigger. Really crisp. I don't know, clamping feed neck, I don't know what you'd call it. It's a poppet valve. And, yeah, let me see if it turns on. I doubt it comes with a battery. No, it doesn't. But there you go, here's my unboxing video. And I'll show you it shooting later. Alright, so here's my Etek. It's all set up and ready to shoot. So here you go, I'm going to give you a view of that. Yeah. And that's a hopper. Let's see, any more?
That's it. Etek 3 LT. Black, the rotor and air tank. There you go.